Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the types of angles. Okay. First one, right angle. What is right angle? An angle that is exactly at 90 degree. Okay. It is formed by a straight line and a sleeping line. Okay. This is a right angle. Okay. Next, acute angle. What is acute angle? Angle that are more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It is smaller than a right angle. Okay. It's a more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. This is acute angle. Okay. Next comes to obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? An angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay. It is greater than a right angle. So this is obtuse. It is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay. This is called a obtuse and it is greater than right angle. Okay. Next comes to straight angle. Straight angle, an angle is equal to 180 degree. It is equal to the sum of two right angles, 90 plus 90. The sum of two right angles. Okay. So this is a straight. Okay. Straight angle. Understood? Next, we will move on to practice 2. Identify the angles as right, acute, obtuse and straight. So first one, A. What is that? This is a acute. Okay. Acute. ACUTE. What is this? This is obtuse. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is obtuse. What is this? This is a straight. This is a straight angle. Okay. What is this? This is a right angle. What is this? This one. This is a straight. Straight. Okay. What is this? This is a right. What is this? This is a obtuse. Obtuse. What is this? This is a acute. Understood? Next comes to fill in the table. One is done for you. What do you find? So, this is number of sides, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, number of angles. Okay, one is done for you. And second, B. Number of sides. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Right angles. How many right angle? A, D. Angle A, angle D. Okay. Next, acute angle, angle A and angle D. Okay. Next, acute angle, angle C. Next, obtuse angle, angle B. Okay. Next, number of angles. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles. Okay. Next, C. Number of sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Is there any right angle is here? No. So, put mark. Next, acute angle, angle A and angle B. Okay. Next, obtuse, angle C. How many angles are there? 3. Next, number of sides? 3. Is there any right angle? No. Acute angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Obtuse angle? No. Number of angles? 3. Okay. Next, number of sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Is there any right angles? Angle E and angle D. Okay. Angle D and angle E. Next, acute angle, angle A, angle C. Okay. Next, ob- obtuse angle, angle B. So, how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? So, for this, we finished our practice 2. Tomorrow, we will see measuring with the protractor. Okay. Thank you.